1 minute.
Tell us what the time goes.
We are live.
We are live. 1 minute to go until the big reveal.
Puppets in Prague.
Does anybody come in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic.
Here we
Hello,
go. We've got
everybody.
people joining.
Super.
Amazing.
We're about to
Welcome,
start.
everyone.
We are live. And shall we? Is it time?
All right.
Is it 4 or 10?
Or whichever time. Okay, we are now live.
We're now live, and it's ready for the big reveal. Voila! Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome to one of the last days of our workshop, and we're very happy to meet one of our finished puppets. This is
Yes.
Piero, made by Rachel.
Yes, this is my Perot-inspired clown, and I was really excited to develop this because I have never used a chisel before. And this workshop has taught me so many new skills, and also I've met really great people. And we're also about to meet some of their great puppets.
Well, Piero, how do you feel about being in the world?
I'm no longer unstrung.
All right.
I got ahead.
Okay, I think you need to show us your friends now. So can you take us into the workshop? All right, everyone, let's follow
All
Piero,
right.
and we're going to go inside. 2 puppets in Prague. I got the door for you. This way.
Making our way through the workshop.
Open door. Door.
I can't reach.
And in we come. Welcome to the space, and let's meet some of the other puppets. Woo, here we go.
And always forward.
And where else are you going to introduce us to first? I've forgotten. Is it Ash?
I think so.
All right, Ash. Let's. So
So
who are you made here?
this is Dodo Boy, who I doesn't have another name other than that. But that's a working title at the moment. And yeah, it's got a moving mouth
And a slingshot.
and a slingshot.
How old is Dodo Boy? I mean, I know he's a few hours old, but
I would say anywhere between 20 minutes to an hour old.
Super. Well, nice to meet you, Dodo Boy. So tell us, how was your 2 weeks at Puppets in Prague?
It was amazing. I feel like I've learned so much. It's been really nice to have one-on-one time with different experts and learn from the best.
Super. Okay. All right. Let's go to our next puppet, and our next puppet is Holly.
He still needs a name, but hi everybody.
Another puppet on a wire. So tell us a little bit about this
So-
mystery. Who is this mystery
He's
character?
yet to have a story and a tale, but he's basically a fawn-like Mr. Tomlin's Pan's Labyrinth style creature. That wasn't very short, was it? But yeah, he's been great fun to make. I've never carved anything before, so it's been brilliant and confidence. I'm definitely confident to do stuff at home, so thank you guys.
Fantastic.
And then he'll have a miniature friend maybe.
Who is this miniature friend going to be?
Well, a miniature version of him.
Oh,
Maybe he'll have a baby.
excellent. Well, we wish you all the luck. Okay, next up. Oh, I think that we have Vanessa coming. A very colorful puppet here.
Yes.
Yes, Tinker. She may change her name. We're still sort of working on it.
which is quite lovely. Yeah.
Oh,
It's very sweet. Yeah. You can do it. Hello. And then, yeah, she did evolve. We had, we got more and more elaborate as we went because there were so many more boxes of things that I could add to her, and they did. Yes. And tell us what you liked about puppets in Prague. Oh, definitely just building my confidence. Like I never would have attempted something like this at home. But again, as Ash was saying, just having so many people here helping you, it's been amazing. It's a beautiful puppet. Yes, bear. Careful, there's a bear coming. Watch out, Tinka. Careful. I'm not sure if he's a nice bear or a hungry bear. So, yes, bear, is he hungry or is he a friend?
Well, you know, he's a dancing bear, and all he can think of is getting his freedom, so... Being the terror of the forests, but he's actually a nice bear. I call him Uncle Arne. So, yeah.
He's got some big teeth going there.
Yeah, he does, yeah. He's a vegetarian, though.
Well, that's a relief.
Yeah.
And you were here last year, so
I was.
what did you like best about Puppets in Prague second time round?
Well, my puppet got a little bit more advanced, and I learned, I mean, I'm learning a craft, and it takes some time, but I'm having the time. I'm working with the woods and these talented people, and it's just been great.
Fantastic.
And just being in Prague, I mean, who can complain?
That's a beautiful puppet. Congratulations. And who should we meet next? I think that there's some interesting characters here. Shall we meet the old lady? The old lady.
Who's definitely naked. Her crumbs are going, but that's okay. She doesn't really have a name. She's just the old lady. What else?
Why did you decide to make an old lady?
I don't know. I feel like I just thought it would be funny to have like a little gag that she's like, I'll make her clothes where she looks like, you know, she's like an older woman. She dresses like she's 20, so I think that'll be great. But she has no shame in her self-image, so.
she's a nudist. I'm proud of
That's
it.
beautiful. That's beautiful.
So fantastic. And what have you liked about your last 2 weeks in Prague?
Just learning from so many different people and really like getting into carving in the round. That's been really fun. Just like the different techniques with chisels. I feel like I've learned a lot that I can apply to my own practice. So that's been exciting.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. We have some operation going on over here with Ashbarak. So let's go over to this side of the table. And Chesley, ooh, I think he's lost his mouth.
Yes.
Okay,
Maybe not his most
Can we come
photo
back?
ready.
we'll come back.
We'll come back.
Moment.
We'll come back to Kashbarak in a second. And
Joplin?
would you introduce your lovely Calypso
This
character?
is Calypso, who's the main character in a project we're working on, the story of the Odyssey in Vermont. And many challenges, and it's been great this week learning from making mistakes and fixing them, and a little bit of blood and sweat and tears along the way. But it's been great working with everyone here and the different experiences of all the workshop participants and their background. So, and then going to all the shows and seeing about many different techniques in puppetry.
Fantastic, lovely. So anybody, if you're out, anybody there from Vermont, you can come see Joplin's performance in Vermont sometime.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, she's going to sleep. Can we meet a kitty cat? So who is she?
So this is Oka. She is queen of the cats, and she is here to teach all children about
Egypt.
And it stabilized with hands.
Wait.
Amazing. Wow.
That feels way better. Yeah. I was like, why is it so put that into that side?
And what have you liked best about the last 2 weeks?
Just learning from like all different types of people and really getting into wood carving and seeing all the shows. Yeah, Prague is a beautiful place and there's so much puppets.
Nice. Well, she really is beautiful. And now we're going to meet an Estonian character. Very mysterious. This is Sandra's. Tell us a little bit about this character.
Well, I took inspiration from Estonian mythology, but I didn't follow it exactly. This is kind of my interpretation of it. So this is a kite. It's created to follow the master's orders and do everything I tell him to do, basically. But yeah, it's just my little guy.
Can you show us his tail?
Yes.
Yes.
Very important tail.
Yes.
And maybe we need a shot of Sandra here, so you
Had
can
to.
just understand.
Had to add a part of me.
Besides the blood, you mean?
Well, there are a few drops of blood on him as well.
Beautiful.
But it's been fun. I've never carved anything from wood before, so it was fun to improve my skills in a new craft.
Nice. Yes, he really came out beautifully. And we need Lindsay's puppet. Lindsay's been holding the camera for us. But now you get to see this very mysterious guy. So tell us a little bit about him.
He just came out of me. He hasn't revealed his name yet, but he's a very shy, kind of solemn creature, a little wary of the world.
Fantastic. He moves so beautifully. And he has some moving feet here. Great. And what if you... Oh, there he goes. Beautiful. Super. And so tell us, what have you liked best about Prague?
I think what's really fantastic about this program is that you're just immersed in the world immediately. It's all puppets all the time, and we go to theater and puppet shows and festivals, and it's just a very rich, immersive experience.
Super, thank you. And now, let's see if our Kashbarek has gotten his bottom jaw. How is it looking?
I'll follow you.
Kashbarek?
Follow me.
It's back. It's had. It's my relative. Hello. Hello.
Do you want to tell us something about who Kashbarek is?
Yeah, so Kašparek is a traditional character in Czech puppet theater, sort of the comic relief character that's often the friend or associate of the protagonist. And that's one of the things that I really appreciate about coming to Puppets in Prague is you feel like you are connected to this amazing tradition of Czech puppetry and part of a long lineage of amazing craft people.
How many times have you been here, Chesley?
4.
How many online workshops have you done?
4, I think. A lot.
A lot.
A+ number 1 fan.
So I am a fan, yes. And here's my little guy.
And we're a fan of you too, and of everybody. So if you love puppets and want to follow us, we will be very happy. We also, as Chester mentioned, we have in-person workshops, as you see. So next summer, come to Prague and make a puppet of your own, or you can make one online. We have a video class. We also have specialized classes. The next one is going to be about a moving mouth, like you just saw with Kashparek, whose mouth is it's a little more challenging than you might imagine. And if you don't know our book, and if you don't have our book, we also have a book that Mirek, the master, there he is, that Mirek wrote, which is all about how to construct a marionette so that it has fantastic technology, and fantastic technology means that you have a puppet that moves really well, which is what you need your marionette to do. So that's, I think, that's it from us. Thank you for coming. And maybe everybody needs to wave with their puppet, and I'm going to go let Lindsay, Lindsay grab hers too. So, goodbye, and goodbye. Puppet hand is a little occupied here. Ooh. And more goodbyes. Super. And goodbye from our freshly strung puppets that came alive today. And it is no coincidence that today is the summer solstice. Ooh, which adds special magic to these lives that will be with you forever. Goodbye, and thank you for coming. Now I have to figure out how to stop this and save it. Holly, where are you? Okay, how did we do that? Okay, and Sarah.